friends, today I just bought the new Zeus motorcycle jacket from Zeus Motorcycle Gear from Hyderabad, and I bought it from I just ordered this before 4 days back, and I got it today night. It took us some 4.5 days to deliver to my place. It's a new jacket, and it has some specifications like it has they have upgraded the smart technology in Zeus jackets, and it has some good features too, like it has a GPS, and if there is a smartphone, and we can connect to our smartphones by NFCs. And let's open this and check what and all it has and how it fit for us. Let's open this. Here comes the bill from Wheel Ventures. They actually have so many brands like Zeus, Dark Riders, and TNC, Grip 360, and Protype. And it's from Hyderabad, Telangana. And let's here it is. Zeus. It is a black and grey color jacket. It has some overweight, I think. Like it has some 3.5-4 kgs of this. Let's go with this. Model is Zeus Airdrift SP X jacket with Zeus Smart Connection. At the first stage I have told you it has a smart connection, and in color it's a black and grey, and size is XL, quantity is 1, and serial number is 1. And it is MRP is 10,500 after discount, and for shipping charge from Hyderabad to here they cost me some 350 rupees, and overall it's a 10,850 rupees. Other than this, imported date is October 2004. Fine. And one more thing is they didn't give me a hanger, so I think I have to check for my hanger. And this is a jacket. Here we have the Zeus Z logo, and it's a black and grey color, but in video you can see that there is a light over here. Actually it's for night reflections. And this is the one. It has a smart technology. At the first time I have told you it has a smart technology. Like this, they have upgraded the Zeus. Like before it was costing somehow 9,500. After they have upgraded, they cost me like 10,500 for this additional smart connectivity. We can add this to we can connect this to our smartphones, and it has some GPS, and in GPS we can get to know that the nearest places, where is the petrol bunk, and where we are going. Like about the GPS, like how it works. Let's see how it works first. And here in jacket there are 2 pockets at the front, and that's all. 2 pockets are sideways, and I don't think it is a bigger one. It's a smaller one, so where you can keep your wallets, and I don't think you can keep in your smartphones, but you can keep your wallets here too. And in back side, there's a logo of Zeus. Let's check with the protection what and all they have given in this. At the first stage, there's a protection for a elbow, and it's pretty hard. And if you fall, also it won't hurt. And there's a shoulder guard in back side. Backbone protector. Even it's too hard. Let me open this first. After opening this, we can see that there's a one more logo over this. There's a two layers of this. This is a winter layer and this is a rainy layer. And if you are in winter season, you can remove this. If you are riding somewhere in hot seasons, you can remove both the things. Like there will be a zip. There is a zip that you can open entirely. This is the place where you have to remove this so that we can remove entire winter jacket. This is the winter wear. And this is the rain.
Not that much good quality.
And it has a good quality too. Like I don't think the water comes inside because of they have kept a good layer in between stitches. Near to the stitches, they have kept a they have patched everything. So there is a side pocket over here.
Smartphones and all that.
Yeah, you can keep your smartphones. And other than this, there is nothing. There are no additional pockets for this. Let me wear this one. I think after wearing this, I feel like it's good and comfortable, and I think it will protect my body. And in case of any falls in while riding, it may protect my knee, elbow, and my back. Even my back will be protected, and even in this shoulder too. And it's not too heavy after removing those two winter and really shields, and it's quite good.